The PNR South Long-Haul project is one of the most ambitious railway revivals in the Philippines, designed to reconnect the southern part of Luzon with Metro Manila after decades of limited rail service. Led by Philippine National Railways, this project represents a major step toward modern, reliable, and inclusive transportation, with a target operational timeline around 2028. The vision of the South Long-Haul line is to provide a fast and comfortable alternative to long road journeys that currently take many hours due to traffic congestion and weather conditions. Once operational, the train will link Metro Manila to key provinces in southern Luzon, extending toward the Bicol region. This connection is expected to transform mobility for millions of passengers, including daily commuters, students, workers, and long-distance travelers. Unlike the old narrow-gauge railway, the new system is planned as a modern standard-gauge line capable of supporting higher speeds and heavier loads. The trains are expected to feature air-conditioned coaches, ergonomic seating, onboard restrooms, and dedicated spaces for luggage. For long-distance routes, comfort is a priority, making the journey not only faster but also significantly more pleasant compared to buses or private vehicles. Safety systems such as advanced signaling, automatic train protection, and upgraded level crossings will align the project with international railway standards. Beyond passenger travel, the South Long-Haul Railway is also designed to support freight services. This will allow agricultural and industrial products from southern provinces to reach Metro Manila more efficiently. By shifting a portion of cargo transport from roads to rail, the project can help reduce highway congestion, lower fuel consumption, and decrease carbon emissions, contributing to a more sustainable transport ecosystem. Economically, the impact of the project is expected to be far-reaching. New stations will become centers of local development, attracting businesses, housing projects, and tourism-related activities. Towns that were once considered remote may gain better access to jobs, education, and health care. During construction and operations, the railway will generate thousands of jobs, strengthening local economies along the route. The PNR South Long-Haul project is more than just a train line. It is a symbol of national renewal and long-term planning. By restoring rail connectivity across southern Luzon, the Philippines is investing in a future where travel is faster, safer, and more balanced between urban and regional growth. As 2028 approaches, this railway stands as a promise of a more connected and resilient nation, powered by modern rail transport.